Welcome to Mohinder's Kitchen. Guys, let's make chicken tikka masala wings. Let's start it. Chicken wings, quarter spoon of fenugreek, red chili flake, quarter spoon paprika, salt to taste, quarter spoon of black pepper, quarter spoon of cayenne, 1 egg, spoon of oil. Mix together, and guys, the leaves we're gonna keep for 45 minutes to 1 hour. 3 to 4 spoons of oil, 1 small onion, now we're gonna cook this 1 to 2 minutes. After that, we're gonna add the garlic, ginger, spoon of ginger, 5 to 6 cloves of garlic, salt to taste, half spoon of cumin seed, one tomato, half spoon red chili powder, spoon of Kashmiri red chili, this is only for the color, 3 to 4 ounces of tomato sauce, 3 to 4 green chili, little bit cilantro. Turn off the heat. Time to blend. Three to 4 ounces of water and blend. Back into pot. Two to 3 ounces of heavy cream. Two black cardamom, 2 cloves, 2 star anise, 2 to 3 bay leaves, cilantro on the top. Guys, sauce is ready. Let's make our wings now. It's been 45 minutes. Guys, also tandoori is ready. Put on skewer. Guys, if you have no tandoor, make in the oven. The recipes are very easy. Guys, it's been 3 minutes. Time to flip. We're gonna cook at least 7 to 8 minutes. Guys, it's been 8 minutes. Time to take it out. Oh my God, it's super hot. Sauce on the top. Guys, if we need more, I will add later. Little bit of cilantro on the top. Garam masala. Enjoy, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you like my recipe, please subscribe and like my channel, Mohinder's Kitchen. Enjoy.